Hi, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to post in the discussion board, read the discussion board, and reply to other people in the discussion board. So here I am on the main page. I have put the discussion tab right at the top here, so all you have to do is click on this tab. So we'll do that. And then what happens is a list of all the discussions in the course that you can see should be available and you should be able to see them. So here is the first one. It's the only one I've opened, and it's called Introductions. If you want to read what other people have put in the introduction discussion board, you would just click right on the title and it brings it up. There is a little thing here that tells you what you will talk about in that discussion board. And down here you can see I've already put an introduction in there, so you can click on that and read it and whatnot. But to start, you're gonna have to do your own thread, and you're gonna start your own discussion post. So you're just gonna click here on Start a New Thread. And then you are going to title it. So you can title it whatever you want. So here's an example. And then you can start typing away right in here. Now, the cool thing is it's kind of like a document or a Google Doc, and you can add things, whatever you want. You can put pictures in it. You can change the size of the font, change what the font looks like. You can even make it a different color. Ta-da! Which is pretty cool. Once you're done, you are going to click Post, and it will post it to the discussion board. So I'm just going to post this one. I'm probably going to get rid of it after, but it's right there. And then if you want, you can reply to other people just by clicking on their discussion, read through their discussion, and then click reply to thread. And you can say anything you want. Again, same thing, you can change the font, whatever you want to do with it, and then click post. Very simple, very easy to do. I look forward to seeing your discussions. Thanks, bye.